Yes! Woo! Yes! Look what I got. Do you love it? I love it. I just got my ring light to make these videos look amazing.
Where'd you order from?
I didn't order anything. Charles, the man with the plan, the man with the power, the man of the hour, is the one, the only person who puts up with my shit and bought me my ring light. Because I said I wanted it, he said, poof, it's yours. Like a genie. I say something and poof, there it is. It's pretty awesome. And yet I'm the royal jerk about everything because I'm a bipolar nut. So, bless his heart for putting up with me. Let's get to this unboxing, shall we? Fuck. I guess we're just gonna rip this thing open. So this is how it comes. It's a nifty little case. So that's cool. Has a little carrying case, so if I go somewhere, I can take my ring light with me, and it will be protected. Oh, oh, oh. That is huge.
That's what she
That's
said.
what she said. So here she is. Oh. Charles is gonna have to be in charge of this beauty because there's buttons on it. It's not just an on-off button. There's settings and a lot of stuff that he probably already knows how to use. I, however, am a complete dumbass, so come on, Nina, it's just a box. I think this is a phone holder and another one. A little toggle looking thingy. A white box. Oh?
It's a remote, so you can
Almost sounded like Tim the Toolman Taylor.
tell them about the remote.
It's a remote. So I guess I can like nonchalantly like adjust the lighting. Oh. I like that. I might break it. Various plugs and but wait, there's more. There's another box. Okay. And this is the stand for it. Alright, so we're back. And I almost fell. We got the ring light set up. It's pretty cool. This thing gets really bright. Wow. The ring light came with two, count them, two remotes. One, if you don't drop it, is a tiny little one that controls your camera or smartphone. The other one controls the ring light itself. There's the different settings right here, the power button. There's a dial to control the brightness. So this one, you can bump it up really quickly, or you can just use the dial and do slight variations. There's also multiple little channels you can use, so if you have more than one light, you can control them all with one remote. But for right now, for what I need it for, one channel, one light is plenty. The center button in the middle of the dial will change the temperature of your light, I think. There we go. No? It's not doing it. Oh, there we go. Now it's cool. So, When you press that center button and this little area is blinking, that tells you what coolness or warmth you're going to get in your light. So we're at 40% here, and now we'll go cooler, and then we'll go warm,
Keep going.
and
All the way to
even
the
warmer, and
And-
warmer.
There you go. That's it.
I'm on fire. No, just kidding.
Just do that.
Okay, we're gonna try out the little diffusers. So here's the blue light diffuser at 1%. Now I look green. And this is when it goes cooler. And warming it back up to make me green. And now let's try the red one. Now we have, oh. And now we have red. This is at 1%. Oh. This one's really intense. That's at 100%. Oh. And the last one will be green. Here we go. Moving on up. So, there you have it. We've checked out all the colors. I have a funny feeling I'll be doing lots of creative looks with these lights to help enhance things. So if you ever want to get a ring light for your videos, for whatever it is that you're doing, I personally, not knowing anything about ring lights, would highly recommend this one, the IVISII, IVISII ring light, because it's extremely user-friendly, even for people like me who know absolutely nothing about this stuff. I can even figure it out. So if I can do it, you can do it. Till next time, bye. Okay, so all in all, this ring light, you get the phone stand, you get the different diffusers, so you get red, green, blue, and then your white one. You get the remotes, you get the charger things, you get a carrying case, you get a tripod, and all of that comes to about $150 on Amazon. And in my opinion, it's money well spent. You can find cheaper ones, you can find smaller ones, you can find a multitude of ring lights, but some of them are super complicated, or at least to me they look like they're super complicated. I think this is a really good ring light for beginners, to anybody that just doesn't want to deal with lights but still wants to make their videos look good. I think this one's a good choice. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when we post new videos, and leave a comment and let us know what you like, what you don't like, what videos you want to see. If there's anything you want to learn within makeup, let me know. I'll figure it out for you. The end. That's awesome. You won't like me when I'm angry.